This has been growing in my refrigerator. From processed chicken nuggets. It came off of a coffee filter that I had put over the top of it. Or wrapped the chicken nuggets in the filter. It's almost even shaped like a coffee filter. And then I wrapped them in foil and had them in the bottom of the fridge in this bowl. Nothing else was in the bottom of this bowl. All this come out from processed chicken. I literally turned my gloves. They were blue. Kitchen gloves. And they turned them green. And I just couldn't do it. I had to throw the chicken nuggets away, but I kept a couple. I thought Coco or the cats would like them. Cats did not eat them.